The equipment used during installation should be put on a protective cloth to avoid any harm to kitchen and the furniture. Safety glasses and gloves should be used during drilling, cutting and other processes. For a range hood, there should be enough space for the size of hood on kitchen ceiling. The surface of the ceiling should be even and durable for the hood. If the product is mounted on a suspended ceiling, a space fitting the size of the hood should be cut, and there should be a construction fixed to the concrete wall. The product will be mounted on this construction. Make holes 6 mm in diameter in the construction and use a nut bolt 5 mm in diameter. You can access the measurement details in the production catalogue or on our website. If the hood is used with the chimney, the holes for the air wells, 15 cm in diameter, should be made. An air canal pipe should be installed beforehand. For the carbon filter use, any holes for the pipe are not necessary. Please do not install or use the product if there is any damage on the package, and follow the company procedures. Mark the point in which the ceiling connection plate will be fixed by measuring the middle of the oven as center. Place the connection plate on the marked point by centering and mark the wall by using the holes on the connection plate. The connection plate should be placed so that the holes are on the front. Make holes 10 mm in diameter on the marked points and place the plastic dowels. You can use a vacuum cleaner for the dust appearing during this process. Fix the connection plate on the ceiling. Fix the tension rods by paying attention to the front part on the motor cabin. The bench stops on the front tension rod should be turned towards left and right. The back front tension rod should be turned outside. The product can be adjusted to any level of height by using the tension rods. Adjust the tension rods to a minimum of 65 cm distance, which is between the bottom of the hood and the grate bar of the oven. Place a screw on the motor cabin to hold the plate pipes temporarily. Place the plate pipes on the motor cabin by paying attention to the joints. Place the tension rods connected to the motor cabin through the canals on the connection plate and fix them by screwing. Connect the supply cable to the electric terminal obtained for the device. By pulling it up, place the inner pipe on the connection plate using the holes on the pipe. Pass the hook's body on the hood through the canals on the motor cabin. Fix the body to the motor cabin by screwing through in the holes of the body. Attach the motor socket to its place. Open the connector box and attach the socket of the cable in place. Check the functions, sound level and balance of the hood and be sure that it works right. clean the extractor surface of the device with a proper cleaner. Inform the user about the detailed use of the product and the methods of cleaning. Put the waste after the installation into the garbage bag and leave the bag out of the door.